Is the MIDI room. Kind of hard to get a perspective on it, but it's pretty big. I mean, it really took my breath away. We'll walk across the hall. There's the man we owe our lives to. Here's the soldering area. It's huge. And we open up over here. This is the storage for live sound. Here is the stage and teaching area for live sound. And then this is the room. And as you can see, it's pretty big. Okay, I'm going to stop and I'm going to take you over to the studio. This is the hallway coming all the way down. This is our little ante room in here. I'm walking into your control room B. And okay, get you kind of a perspective on this. I'm walking through now. This is Studio B. And I'll be very honest as I'm walking through these rooms with nothing really accounted for in terms of acoustic. The solid nature of the walls really is impressive. Okay, here's the big studio. Okay, I'm walking. Big time. Okay, and here is the storage for Studio A. As you can see, it is ample. We can put a lot of stuff in here. We might want to consider running mic lines in here as well. Now, I'm walking towards the control room, and then here is the drum booth. Big, wide doors here, and it opens up to here, and then we actually have this little area outside the pillar. This is probably 4 times the square footage that we have now in terms of the drum booth. Okay, I'm walking around. This is the front. This is the control room and studio window area. Now moving through, this is now our entry area. Okay, this area right here, this is where all the power supplies are going to be nested. And then I'm going to walk into the control room. And as you can see, there's the window towards the drum booth. And then here is the window that faces the studio. You can get a kind of perspective on how big this place is. This is easily as big as Wire Road, if not bigger. Kind of reminds me of Sunrise. Okay.